के नीचे वाला कर दिया डॉक्टर ईशा आपने? नहीं ये नहीं, हाँ ये कर लो। फिर उसके बाद जॉ लाइन के नीचे हो। ठीक ठीक, ओके। अभी क्या करे डॉक्टर ईशा? कौन सा इंडिकेशन? मैरिनेट एंड नेजोलेबियल यू हैव डन, ओके। मैरिनेट विद कैनुला पॉलीलैक्टिक। इधर से ले लो ईशा पॉइंट, ये वाला जो ये मार्क्ड है ऑलरेडी पॉइंट है। कर दो ना इसी से, कर सेम एंट्री पॉइंट लेके वहाँ से। हाँ हाँ हाँ, बना लो ना दोबारा, फिक्स कर लो। हाँ
सर मैंने ना ये करा,
कर दिया। नेजोलेबियल करना है आपने,
ये नेज़ोलेबियल रह गया।
ठीक है। फिर आप उसका पॉइंट ले लो ऊपर से। हाँ Hi Simi Suman, happy birthday, and not just healthy skin but overall health, mental health, spiritual health, physical health to you. Very nice. So this is now we are working with the pan facial cannula technique where we are fixing everything with cannula. थोड़ा सा आपको कर दो ईशा स्लाइटली। सो वी आर वर्किंग विद फुल फेस पैन फेशियल कैनुला टेक्निक, हाई चीक्स, zygomatic arch, jaw line, chin elongation we are doing, okay. And as you can see I am not working, trainees are working. Very perfect, very nice. Yes, okay, so we'll come up with more videos now in a little bit. If you have any questions, do ask me, do message and ask me. So as you can see, the trainings, hands-on trainings are really hands-on trainings. My students, today is the 4th day and they are doing the whole case by themselves, using cannula, which a lot of people can't even use, who are injectors since many years. And we are working with right techniques, appropriate use of different products to give better results. And I see a lot of stuff on Instagram, people putting up videos, not many before after pictures, also wrong techniques like which can make big problems. So in workshops we do everything ideal and more of hands-on, repetitive hands-on. So I'll be sharing the experience of the trainees when they finish. So we'll have an idea how the 5 days went by and how confident they are to work with their own hands. Okay guys, see you soon. I'll be making more videos today.